The AI race is speeding up like crazy. Last week, DeepSeek launched R1, and now OpenAI is hitting back with the O3 model series, and it's about to change everything. Okay, all right, let's really dive into this OpenAI O3 mini thing, because honestly, the more I look at it, the more my mind is just absolutely blown. Like, I'm not kidding, you guys want to pay attention because this isn't just another incremental update, this feels like a genuine leap forward. I was already kind of hyped from the initial news, but now, after really digging into all the data, trust me, you're going to want to hear this. OpenAI introduced O3 Mini, new, cost-effective reasoning model, supposed to be great at STEM stuff, but great is an understatement, y'all. This model isn't just catching up to its bigger, pricier competitors, it's actually beating them in many important ways. Honestly, it's amazing. Let's really unpack this cost-effective angle for a sec. Because usually what you get with cost-effective is some watered-down version of the original, right? But here, it's like they've somehow found a way to compress pure, unadulterated brain power into a smaller package without sacrificing performance. That, my friends, is the real magic trick. It's like packing a V8 engine into a compact car, without the compact car falling apart. It's pretty crazy, honestly. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's talk about these benchmarks. I know charts can sometimes feel a bit dry, but trust me, these are worth paying attention to. Because, like, when we look at the competition math AIM 2024 results, we're not seeing a minor upgrade. We're seeing a jump, a significant one. The O1 preview, the one they were using in the past, struggled. It's down at 56.7% accuracy. Then we go to O1, and okay, there's some improvement there, 83.3%. But O3 Mini, with just medium effort, I'm not even talking high here, it comes in at like 79.6%. It's basically matching the previous benchmark with less compute power. But then, bam, they hit us with O3 Mini at high effort, and we see 87.3%. That's some pretty crazy performance. So we're looking at a model that, with optimized settings, completely surpasses all the previous contenders. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think you guys understand how crazy this is. This isn't just a small bump in numbers. We're talking about a noticeable jump in capability. This is absolutely incredible. And look, okay, math is cool and all, but what about real-world application? Because no one sits around solving AIM problems all day. Well, some people do, I guess. That's where the PhD level science questions, GPQA Diamond, results come into play. And once again, it's the same story. O3 Mini at medium and high effort outperforming everything else. We're seeing 76.8 and 79.7% accuracy, respectively, compared to previous models hanging around the 78% or lower mark. This isn't just a tiny bit better, it's a consistent, across-the-board improvement in performance. Trust me, when you have a machine getting a higher degree of accuracy at PhD-level problems, there are major implications. And we're talking about potentially speeding up research, streamlining complex tasks. The opportunities are almost endless. It's pretty crazy when you think about it. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Coding. This is where O3 Mini truly shines, I think. It's not just that it's good at coding, it's exceptionally good and incredibly fast. You guys want to pay attention. With the live bench coding data, it's not even a competition. This new O3 Mini is leaving the older models in the dust. The numbers just don't lie. The numbers are so far ahead that even the low-level O3 Mini that's designed for like basic code-related tasks is outperforming even the O1 high-level model. It's absolute wild. And with the competition code, Codeforce's scores, we're seeing that same trend. O3 Mini steadily improving with effort level. And, we're seeing ELO scores of up to 2,130, right? That is some serious coding power. Trust me, if you're a developer, this is the model you need to be paying attention to. This is absolutely incredible. So we know 3 Mini excels in STEM and coding, but what's that look like visually? A Twitter user, Flavio Adamo, gave us a great demo. He challenged O3 Mini and DeepSeek R1 to code a bouncing ball and a spinning hexagon, and he said O3 Mini crushed R1. After seeing it, it's hard to disagree. O3 Mini produced a stunningly smooth and realistic simulation. The physics are spot on, fluid motion. It's impressive. DeepSeek R1's attempt is, well, not bad, but it lacks that polish. The ball is just not interacting correctly. Look, DeepSeek R1 is a solid open source competitor. It has become a serious contender in the field, and it's important to acknowledge the power of that. But in this head-to-head contest, the visual gap is pretty crazy. It's that O3 Mini is just several levels above its competitor. And that's not even considering the fact that they're now rolling out this O3 Mini with features that developers have been clamoring for, like function calling, structured outputs, and developer messages. It's like they've taken the feedback of real-world users and baked that into the design, and then they also have the streaming capability built in. And the best part? Developers can choose between 3 reasoning options: low, medium, high, all allowing for ultimate flexibility. It's not just a powerful model, it's a model that is designed to be used. That's pretty crazy. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, let's talk about that flexibility for a second, because that's, like, A game changer, you know? They're basically giving you the ability to pick your optimal trade-off. Need speed? Use the low setting. Need the utmost power no matter how slow? Use the high. Want a balance? Go with medium. It's like having 3 different models in one package. Trust me, the ability to dial up or dial down the reasoning effort to meet specific requirements of the tasks is huge, huge. And you are getting it all with reduced latency. This is absolutely incredible. And then they dropped the bomb. It's available to free users in Chat GPT. I mean, come on, you guys want to pay attention here. That's unheard of. It's the first time they've opened up a reasoning model to all of their users without asking for a penny. Their free plan users can access the O3 Mini by just selecting Reason or regenerating a response. What more could we want, really? This is a game changer for access to this level of tech. I mean, it's incredible. It really makes me speculate on what OpenAI is planning. This isn't just about making a slightly better model, right? It feels like they're setting the stage for something bigger. It feels like they want to make these advanced capabilities available to as many people as possible. I mean, we're seeing the O3 Mini outperforming the O1 model, but at the same time, they are making sure to emphasize that O1 remains the best bet for general knowledge. I'm wondering what the future holds here. And let's not forget about the human preference testing, because that's where, sometimes, the numbers don't always tell the whole story. We're seeing people preferring the responses from the O3 Mini at medium effort to O1 Mini. And it's not just in STEM, it's also in the non-STEM tasks. This means people are noticing a real, perceptible improvement in clarity, in accuracy, and in usefulness in all types of tasks. Trust me, a human preference test is worth its weight in gold, because it shows us how the machine is acting in the real world. I don't think you guys understand how crazy this is. It shows us that the machine isn't just getting the correct answer, it's giving an answer in a way that humans prefer. That's huge. Okay, O3 Mini is cool, but what if we get full O3 version? Just think about it. And I'm not just speculating, now we have confirmation from Sam himself. He tweeted, "Got one more O3 Mini goodie coming for you soon. I think we saved the best for last." Now look, that's not just any tweet, that's a carefully crafted statement designed to get the AI community all riled up, you know? He's not saying we're shipping something, he's practically screaming, "We've got something amazing, and it's almost here." The man knows how to build suspense. So what do you guys think? Is it ultra mode, is it drunk mode, or something else entirely? Whatever it is, I think it's important to keep an eye out, because if the O3 Mini has saved the best for last, then it truly is the beginning of something big. I am telling you, you are going to want to pay attention to this, because things are moving fast. The AI revolution is on its way, and if this tweet is anything to go off, well, buckle up. This is going to be a wild ride.